Hello friends! In today's video we are going to learn to draw some summer treats. We're going to start off with a very simple popsicle. Super easy. Start by making kind of a rainbow shape that's a little more squared off at the top. You want the bottom to be a little wider than the top. And then you want to make the dents in the popsicle. And make 2 dents. And the real fun starts when you decide how you're going to color your popsicle, which will be in the next video. And then you put the stick on, and it's really that simple. The next summer treat I'd like to show you is a little bit more difficult. We're going to draw an ice cream cone. So who likes just 1 scoop? No one. Everybody loves a double scoop of ice cream. So let's start off with the scoop that's going to be on top, because that is the one that we will see all of. So you want to start with a nice little rainbow shape for the top of the scoop, and then we all know that the top scoop starts to melt almost instantly. So we're just going to draw a very irregular line about it dripping onto the bottom scoop. And then that naturally is over the bottom scoop, which we see a little bit of the scoop mark, especially if it's 2 different kinds, which is what we will probably be doing in our next video. And you know that it also starts to drip right away. So I'm going to make it come out a little bit, because when you squish it out of the scoop, a lot of times it comes out to the side, and then it starts to drip down the side of your cone depending on how hot the day is. So that would be our second scoop. Lastly, we will draw the cone, because naturally the ice cream covers up part of the cone. I love to draw my cones sugar cones, because they're my favorite kind. It's simply like a long V shape with a bit of a curve at the bottom. Also, sugar cones have a beautiful waffle pattern. So I'm going to create that by making diagonal stripes one direction, followed up by diagonal stripes the opposite direction to create the waffle pattern. Once again, we can add more details when we add our color, but I know for sure my favorite is mint chocolate chip. There's actually a flavor that I get up at my mom's house in New York called mint tingling, and instead of chocolate chips, they have some sort of crisp covered with chocolate, and it is absolutely amazing. And that happens to be my very favorite type of ice cream. And although my other favorite type of ice cream does not go very well with mint chocolate chip, it is strawberry. But I'm still not sure what I'm going to draw on the bottom. And then if you're using pencil and you see something you don't like, of course you can erase it. I would probably erase this area right here if I was doing it over again, just because I don't like the spacing between here and here. But because I'm working in a micron pen, I will just have to leave it the way it is. And our third